Dear students, today we will learn the third chapter of class 8, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. In this story, the author has described about the future, and this is a futuristic story. You can say it is science fiction. How? Here it is why it is futuristic, because in this story the author has tried to show that in 20, 2155 how the students or children will read. The school of that time will be totally different from the school of present. So let us see line by line. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. So what happened? Margie, she has written in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2155. See, so see, Margie is writing in 17th May 2155. We are in 2020, and here the story is about 2155. That's why I have said this is the story about future. See, so she has written, today Tommy found a real book. That means just she has written that Tommy has found a real book. Here, these are two characters, Margie and Tommy. Both are students. We will see they used to read in what type of school. It was a very old book Margie's grandfather. See, so what happened? It was a very old book. That means that time they did not see book, or they did not learn by book in 2155. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So let us see what happened when they are learning, these two students. That time they are not having book, but suddenly Tommy had got one old book. Now Margie is describing that book. Their grandfather used to learn or read such type of books, and just they are listening, they have heard a story about the books, and he has got, who has got? Tommy. जरा मैं लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. देखो, मार्गी जो है 17 मई को अपनी डायरी में एक जो यादगार पल है उसको लिखती है, और वो लिखती है कि आज टॉमी जो है, टॉमी को एक रियल बुक मिला है, किताब मिला है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये लोग 2155 में ऐसी किताब नहीं पढ़ते हैं. इट वॉज ए वेरी ओल्ड बुक, यानी कि उनका कहना है कि ये बहुत पुरानी पुस्तक है. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy. तो देखो ये क्या बताते हैं, मार्गी क्या बताती है कि किताबों के बारे में उसके दादाजी कहानी सुनाया करते थे कि वो किताबें पढ़ा करते थे, अदरवाइज दे डिड नॉट सी बुक। दे टर्न द पेजेस which were yellow and crinkly to see yellow and crinkly, which books are seeming yellow, or which book used to seem yellow? ओल्ड बुक्स, जो बहुत पुराने होते हैं। देखो उसके पेज भी मुड़े मुड़े थे। एंड इट वाज awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving. So why Margie is saying, see, that was old book, the words were not moving just like in the screen। तो ये लोग क्या होता है, वो लोग लैपटॉप से टेक्नोलॉजी से पढ़ते हैं 2155 में, उनके पास पेज वाले किताब नहीं है। तो पेज वाली किताब को जब देखते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है कि वो मूव नहीं होता है, तो उसको उनको फनी लगता है वो, the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know। And then when they turned back to the page before it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So what happened? What is the difference between their book and the old book, printed book? क्या फर्क उनको मिलता है? ये फर्क, there is a difference is that they are learning in screen, and in screen the words used to move। स्क्रीन में क्या होता है, वो मूव करता है वर्ड, और इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि वर्ड्स जो है कांस्टेंट है। आज जिसको देखे वो कल भी उस पेज को पलटेंगे तो वही दिखेगा। He said, Tommy, what a waste when you are through with the books। So see, they are in the developed, science has developed in 2155, so they are feeling so bored in learning such type of printed books। Why they are saying, Tommy, here he is explaining, see, it is so boring, it is a waste of time। Why? Because daily we will have to turn those page only which they have read previously, you just throw it away, I guess। So Tommy, now he is saying to Margie कि such type of books are not useful, let us throw it, इसको फेंक देना चाहिए। Our television screen must have had a million books। तो क्या है, ऐसे में वो कहता है कि हमारे टेलीविज़न स्क्रीन में तो बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं। इन वन स्क्रीन देयर आर सो मैनी बुक्स, बट हियर फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट वी विल हैव टू परचेज डिफरेंट बुक्स, प्लेंटी मोर, आई वुड नॉट थ्रो इट अवे। वो कहता है कि नहीं, आई विल नॉट, और उसको हम फेंक भी नहीं सकते। किसको? टेलीविज़न स्क्रीन को, क्योंकि इसमें मिलियंस ऑफ बुक्स हैं, बहुत सारी किताब हैं। बट हियर this one year read this book and next year you will have to throw this। Now they are differentiating both the education system। Same with mine, said Margie। So Margie is also saying we both, that means both were learning in television screen and both were having same types of books, telebooks। She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had। He was 13। So what happened? Tommy was 13 years old, so he was elder one। जितने बुक्स की, जितने थेली बुक्स का अनुभव टॉमी को था उतना मार्गी को नहीं था, क्योंकि मार्गी छोटी थी। She said, where did you find it? So now Margie is having curiosity to know। Curiosity means eagerness, eagerness to know from where did Tommy get that book। In my house। So see how he is answering। Tommy is saying I have got this book in my house. He pointed without book looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic means cell. So what happened? Just he told that, oh, this I have found in my house, and he did not respond. He did not see towards Margie. What is it about? तो वो पूछती है, क्योंकि वो जो मार्गी है उसको पता नहीं है कि ये बुक किस चीज़ के लिए होते हैं, क्योंकि उसके समय में ऐसी बुक, प्रिंटेड बुक प्रयोग नहीं होते। स्कूल मार्ग स्कूल, सी टॉमी इज सिंग स्कूल, दैट मीन्स दिस बुक इज रिलेटेड टू स्कूल। मार्गी वाज scornful. Scornful, that means she made her face. Why? Because she did not see such book in her school. ऐसी किताब तो वो देखी नहीं है। What is there to write about school? So now she is having different question, है ना, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन उसके मन में आ रहे हैं। She is asking, what is written here in this? I hate school. She is saying, I can't like school. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So see why she was not liking her school, क्योंकि उसका तो मैकेनिक टीचर थे, टेली बुक से पढ़ते थे, and when टेली बुक used to, mechanical teacher used to take test in geography, she would not get good marks. उसको अच्छे नंबर नहीं आते थे, ज्योग्राफी में और वर्ष होती जा रही थी। तो क्या होता है, जिसमें हम नाकामी पाते हैं धीरे धीरे उस चीज़ को हम इग्नोर करते हैं। उसी तरह इसको भी मन नहीं लगता है मार्गी को, क्योंकि पुअर नंबर आते थे, अच्छे नंबर नहीं आते ज्योग्राफी सेक्शन में। तो शी वाज ऑल्सो hating टेली बुक्स। So what happened? One day her mother called the county inspector who used to treat the telebook। जो वो टेली बुक था, आपके लैपटॉप है, टेलीविज़न है, उसको जो बनाता है उसको यहाँ काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर कहा गया है। He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools। तो देखो उसके टीचर कैसे थे। He was a round little man, that means robotic person, robot, little man with a red face and a whole box of tools। तो कैसा था उसका? Red head, there is box and the body, dials and wires were there। He smiled at her and gave her an apple। देखो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर जब पढ़ते हैं तो जो रॉबर्ट था वो दिखने में कैसा था? उसके हेड लाल थे, डायल्स थे, वायर्स थे, और उसमें वो एक एप्पल देता है, किसको? मार्गी को। देन टुक द टीचर अपार्ट। उसके बाद जो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर है कि टीचर को ले जाता है। मार्गी हैड होप ही वुड नॉट नो हाउ टू पुट इट टुगेदर अगेन। वो सोचता है कि रोबोट आता है, इतने एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी, काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर रोबोट आता है उसको बनाने को। तो सोचती है शी थॉट कि it will not able to adjust in correct sequence। So she was, what she did, but he knew how to set it all right, and after an hour, तो वो क्या है, whatever Margie was thinking उसके विपरीत होता है। वो सारे जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं उसको बढ़िया से सीक्वेंस में लगाता है और 1 घंटे के बाद पहुंचा। Black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were asked। अब क्या होता है कि वो बन जाता है, अब सारे लेसन उसमें लोड हो जाते हैं 1 घंटा में। That was not so bad, the part she hated most। अब क्या है, the lessons were not bad, most was the slot where she load in पुट होमवर्क एंड टेस्ट पेपर। देखो क्या है, टेस्ट पेपर्स होमवर्क से उसको नफरत था, उस पार्ट से नहीं। She always had to write them out in a journal and then made her learn when she was 6 years old। तो कहती है कि 6 साल से वो उसको पढ़ती आ रही है, उसको पढ़ना पड़ता है, लिखना पड़ता है, इसलिए वो उसको घृणा करती थी। एंड द मैकेनिकल टीचर कैलकुलेटेड द मार्क्स इन नो टाइम। तो उसको इसलिए नफरत लगता था क्योंकि वो टेस्ट देती थी, टेस्ट देना पड़ता था, होमवर्क बनाना पड़ता था और बहुत जल्दी उसका रिजल्ट आ जाता था, इसलिए वो उस मशीन को लाइक नहीं करती थी।